Hello, my friends. It's Tim from the Cape Knights Gallery, and I hope you're doing well through this really strange time in our society right now. I hope you're healthy. I hope your loved ones are healthy, and that if you have not seen them for a while, that you get to see them soon. I wanted to say thank you. The purpose of this video is twofold, but the first thing is I wanted to say thank you. For those of you who took advantage of the art liquidation that I had announced a couple weeks ago, the response was incredible. I ended up sending work to Indiana, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Florida, and of course, all over Cape Cod. So thank you. I'm always flattered when people add my work to their walls. I've been offering my work for sale for the last, I think, 10 years or so, and it never gets old. It never does. So thanks again so much. I really appreciate it. One of the things that I started to figure out over the course of communicating with people is that by announcing that I wasn't going to be offering art for sale in the art show environment, I may have given the impression to some that I was leaving photography entirely. In fact, I had a few people offer to purchase my camera equipment from me. Well, it's not for sale. The art shows are a small percentage of my overall activity. They're a part of it, of course. This has been, like I said, about 10 years now that I've been doing them, but they're just a part of it. So even though for now that part of it is going to go away, there's still plenty of other things that I'm going to be doing. So let's just take a minute and talk about the art shows and the reason why that I'm getting out of them. It's a ton of work. These shows require a lot of money to be invested to get going, to get the inventory. I spent a lot of summer days in the basement making framed things. And then I have to spend a few $100s for the privilege of setting up in this 10 by 10 foot space outside, either on pavement or in a field somewhere, and oftentimes in the July sun. And it's a lot of work to put up. This video makes it look easy, but trust me when I tell you, it's not easy at all. There are plenty of things, though, that I'm going to keep doing. As you can see here, I'm going to keep posting my work, of course, so please keep following me. I really hope that you will continue with me on this path. I'm still going to do my workshops and my tours. So as soon as we get back to some degree of normal life, that's going to resume. And people are going to need that kind of stuff to get back outside and do things that make them feel good, like being under the night sky on Cape Cod. I have to say that I tell people I have the best job in the world because I get to photograph lighthouses in moonlight and starlight with people. I mean, I can't imagine a better job than that. So that said, it's coming back. Don't worry. I'm also going to still be offering prints for sale on my website. That's something that I've been doing since I've had a website, and it's all automated. So that doesn't involve me having to go down into my basement, plug in my laptop, and print things down there. When you order something from my website, the small prints, they just get done by a place in California and they get mailed directly to you. So you'll always have that option. Commission work. If you guys see something that you want me to photograph, let me know. Contact me. I'll work with you on that. If there's something on my website that you've seen and you think, wow, I really want a giant version of that in a big frame, let me know. We'll work on that too. None of that stuff is going to go away. It's just the art shows at this point that I'm stepping back from. And, you know, there's some reasons for that. Primarily, yeah, it's a lot of work. But since 2016, the sales have kind of gone down year over year. And there's probably some reasons for that. I mean, I've been offering new works and old favorites, but I think a lot of it has to do with just a shift in what people are looking for when they attend these shows. When you do the same shows on the same weeks every year, you get the same people. The people who love your stuff run out of wall space. I mean, there's all sorts of different reasons why that's probably been happening. And the current situation has really, really caused me to get to that point a lot quicker than I had expected. So it just made sense for me to liberate all of the artwork that I had in my basement to people who would be willing to adopt it and give it all a great home. And many of you have, and I really appreciate that. So that said, the last thing I wanted to tell you was that This video is not the first video you'll be seeing from me in the near future. I've gone through the effort of actually setting up a video situation, having a microphone, doing some lighting. And the goal is I have a YouTube channel, and you can find it under Cape Knight Photography if you search YouTube. And I'm going to be doing short videos about some of your favorite images. And they're not going to be highly technical. They're going to be for people who love Cape Cod and love photography. So if you're somebody who wants to know a little bit more about a specific image, that's going to be the video for you. If you're just a fan of Cape Cod and you want to know more about a location, that's also going to be the video for you. So stay tuned for more information on that. Anyway, I'm all done rambling. I just wanted to say thank you. Be well. I'm not going anywhere, both figuratively and literally right now, as none of us are. But we'll see you again soon. And for now, we'll see you here on the internet. Thanks again so much for following my work and being a fan. I can't tell you how much that means to me, especially now. So we'll see you again, and stay healthy, and best wishes.